Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be sharing how to make seafood rice. If you're a seafood lover, you like shrimp, you like crabs, then this recipe is for you because it is so yummy. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I post food videos every week, and here are some of the things I'm going to be using. I have some long grain rice, head-on shrimp, blue crabs, I have pepper mix, and I blended 2 habaneros, half of a red bell pepper and half of a green bell pepper. So I just chopped it roughly in my food processor. And I also have some sliced onion, carrots and spring onion, snail meat. This is my first time trying this snail meat, so we'll see how that turns out. I also have vegetable oil and my spices. I'm using rosemary, ginger powder, crushed garlic, old bay, salt and seasoning cubes. So I'm going to start out by heating up the oil. I'm just going to heat it up for about a minute on low to medium heat, and I'm going to add the sliced onion and stir fry for about a minute or two until the color changes completely. Then I'm going to add in the chopped pepper mix, and I'm going to continue to stir fry for another 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'm gonna add the seasonings to it, and you can always use additional seasonings of your choice, but I'm only using the ones that I mentioned earlier. Sometimes I'll use more, sometimes I'll use less, so you can play with this however you want it. So I'm gonna continue to stir fry for another 2 or 3 minutes until the oil floats completely to the top. Then I'm gonna add in the washed rice. Now for this rice, I did not parboil it. I rinsed it like 3 or 4 times because it already comes parboiled, so there's no need to do it again. So I'm going to continue to stir fry so that the rice can absorb all the flavor. After about 2-3 minutes, I'm going to add in the water, and I'm using just 2 cups of water for this, because you don't want to use too much water so the rice doesn't end up to be soggy. So I'm gonna cover this and let it cook for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to add the seafood at this point. I'm gonna add in the blue crabs, the shrimp and the snail meat. And you can always remove, whatever you don't like, or you can add more seafood of your choice. But this is what I'm using. And I'm just trying to cover the crabs with the rice so that the steam can cook it. So I'm gonna mix everything together, then I'm gonna cover this and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Because I don't want the seafood to overcook, but I don't also want it to be undercooked. So then I'm gonna add in the spring onion and the carrots. And you can always add more vegetables if you choose to. And we're just gonna continue to steam this for another 5 minutes. After which the rice should be done. And as you can see, it looks really good, and the taste, oh my god, it was so good. And you can actually taste the seafood in it because I cooked everything together. So I hope you try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Check out my other videos as well, and comment down below. Let me know what other kind of recipes you would like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.